motherfucking beats. Come on. Yeah. Yo.
Coasting it, and then I'd switch that up to Coyote, bro. We're in the gated community, bro. Look, we're just regular traffic this thing, and the looks you get are crazy though. It's like you don't really get a whole lot of any problem. You just, it's like a bicycle, so people don't really trip, bro. It makes no noise. See, like, hold on, street clip real quick for y'all. Look, street clip to one knee in the street. Hey, look at this jump. It's fire, bro. Hold up. Look at this jump right here, though. They're probably like, holy, this pedal bike is going faster than me. And you can hit sidewalks and hit the road, bro. The Surron is gonna be what blows my channel. Big downhill coaster since I turned engine brake off. Look at this. You just gotta be careful so you don't beat a car, bro. Right here. Fucking up. Garden, bud. Going 40 on the sidewalk at night, bro. Let's try to get a clip, bro, riding. Hold up, jump. Weave. This is like the most fun you can have, bro. I'm about to just be pedaling like this. But for real, shout out to Yappa, bro. You got the blue boys. I got these clean orange ones. I guess are gonna be my riding shoes now, bro. I guess y'all are here for road clips too, bro. Make sure the phone don't fall out would be crazy. Look at me going dumb, bro. Coasting it. Bro, this is like this is the most fun I've ever had. But hold on, right here you gotta go right here, you'll get schmackered by a car right here. Look. Gotta turn the light on. We'll catch sidewalk clips though. It's a tight sidewalk, but there's a person right here. I just try to get off the sidewalk. Just be respectful, you know? Nobody even trips. I'm about to tune it in the road right here, though. Hold on. We'll get a road clip again. The road clips are fire, aren't they? Road clip is 5. We'll get on the sidewalk again though. One road clip. No, we got like 2 good road clips, bro. Did we get another roadie? Road clip right here, bro. Look, road clip. Road clip. We'll pop something up for the church, huh? That was tough too, though. Hold up. Bit for 50, bro. Nah. At least mine, my Surron's got hold up, bro. And the white neighborhood is crazy, bro. People like it too. Maybe not. I don't know. People. Some people like it. You try not to do it too much in front of the old people because you know how they are, bro. For the Broncos, I'm catching neighborhood clips, bro. And going up that and jumping that would be crazy. But I literally, you can get so good so fast, bro. This is what I've wanted to do for so long, bro. I'd always catch myself on Instagram watching the clips, bro, and like big Porsche, that's tough, but big Porsche, bro. Hey, let me pop some up. Talking about like this right here, tight. That house is 5. Oh, let's catch a road clip, bro. Big body Benz, remember I used to be dusty. Bro, I need that big 72 volts, bro. But I'm trying to be able to walk this bike like until I don't want it to walk anymore. And then I'd switch. Is that a coyote, bro? We're in the gated community, bro. What's that? Coyote? Holy shit, bud. Coyote? But people seem to like it, bro. No, not yet. We'll catch a fire road clip. I'm gonna go until like, I can't. Never mind, I can't, bro. Hold on. That house is 5 too. That house right there is 5. Hold on, we gotta get a knee in the road though. Yeah, they like it, bro. And then it's like, poof, I'm gone. They might not like that, but I'm trying to get out of people's way, you know? We'll cut up in here, straight road. I'm coasting though. Hold up, look, into a 360, bro. Into a wheelie. Maybe not. Hold up, I gotta get a 360 into it. Fuck. Hold up. This is like the most fun I've ever had. I really need to get back home so I can go hit the gym. I gotta go get swole, buddy. If y'all do enjoy like the Surron content, bro, let me know in the comments and we'll bring it to the channel. There's like some people that do Surron content, but I post frequently and I can do this like whenever, bro. As long as it's not raining, I'm gonna be uploading, so gotta really blow this Surron shit up, bro. It's so fun. Look, last road clip for y'all. I just went crazy. Yeah, I went stupid. No cap. You see it? I do appreciate that. You look good. Shooting a YouTube video.
So since you said you vacuum, you might have to figure it out.
Yeah, I'll hit the vacuum. Y'all let me know in the comments and we'll bring more videos to the channel. So y'all just let me know what y'all want to see. Parts on the way, like I said earlier too. Peace.